Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So friends, let's start the video. Zule Fruit Infuser Water Bottle. The Zule Fruit Infuser Water Bottle is an exceptional blend of practicality and style, catering to those who appreciate hydration with a flavorful twist. Constructed from durable tritan material, this bottle stands out with its sleek jet black finish, offering both aesthetic appeal and functionality. With a capacity of 34 ounces, it strikes an ideal balance for those on the go, whether traveling, hiking, or engaging in fitness activities. This water bottle is designed for easy use, featuring a built-in infuser that allows you to enhance your water with fresh fruits, herbs, or vegetables. This unique feature not only encourages healthier hydration habits, but also enables users to explore a variety of flavor combinations, making drinking water a more enjoyable experience. The infuser component is easy to assemble and disassemble, ensuring a hassle-free cleaning process, although hand washing is recommended to maintain its quality. Self-heating lunchbox. The Budu Electric Lunchbox is a game-changer for anyone looking to enjoy a warm meal at the office or on the go. Crafted with stainless steel, this vibrant green lunchbox is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also durable, ensuring it withstands daily use. With a generous capacity of 1.5 liters, it provides ample space for a satisfying meal, making it suitable for adults on busy schedules. The design is tailored for practicality, featuring a compact shape reminiscent of a car, which makes it easy to transport. Weighing just 1.8 pounds, it's lightweight enough to carry without feeling bulky. The dimensions of 9.4 int by 6.5 by 4.6 acres allow it to fit comfortably in most bags, enhancing its portability. One of the standout features of the Budu Electric Lunchbox is its versatility. It includes both a 12-volt 24-volt car adapter power cord and a 110-volt home adapter power cord, ensuring that you can heat your meals whether you're in your car, at your desk, or at home. Additionally, the inclusion of a 0.4-liter plastic fruit container is a thoughtful touch, allowing for the easy transport of snacks or sides. Oil dispenser. The OXO Good Grips 12-aughts Precision Pour Glass Oil Dispenser is a standout addition to any kitchen, blending functionality with an aesthetically pleasing design. Constructed from high-quality glass, this oil dispenser is not only sturdy, but also offers a clear view of the contents, allowing users to easily gauge how much oil remains. With a capacity of 355 milliliters, it strikes the perfect balance between size and usability, making it suitable for everyday cooking needs without taking up excess space. The dispenser features a stainless steel spout designed for precision pouring, ensuring that every drop is utilized without messy spills. This thoughtful design is particularly beneficial for those who prefer to control the amount of oil they use, whether they are sautéing vegetables or drizzling oil over a salad. The 8.7 AU into 2.76 H dimensions make it a compact option that fits comfortably on kitchen shelves or countertops. Furthermore, the bottle is dishwasher safe, simplifying the cleaning process and making it a practical choice for busy kitchen drawer. The LifeWit Silverware Drawer Organizer is an impressive solution for anyone looking to declutter and organize their kitchen utensils effectively. With a robust construction from high-quality polypropylene, this organizer promises both durability and ease of maintenance while ensuring it meets the demands of daily use. One of the standout features of this product is its adjustable and expandable design, allowing users to customize the configuration to fit various drawer sizes. This flexibility ensures that it can accommodate a wide range of utensils, making it an essential addition to any kitchen. The large capacity further enhances its utility, providing ample space for forks, spoons, knives, and other kitchen tools. In terms of aesthetics, the black color and unfinished surface lend a modern and sleek look, complementing a variety of kitchen styles. Its rounded rectangular shape not only adds to its visual appeal, but also optimizes space efficiency within drawers. Electric hot pot. The Nikai Kitchen Electric Hot Pot is an excellent addition to any culinary enthusiast's kitchen, offering a versatile cooking solution for various dishes. With a capacity of 1.8 liters, this sleek and elegant cooker is ideal for individuals or small families. Its gold cover not only adds a touch of elegance, but also integrates well with most kitchen aesthetics. One of the standout features of this electric hot pot is its ease of use. The simple controls allow users to adjust the temperature to suit various cooking methods, whether steaming vegetables, preparing broth for hot pot, or simmering other delicious dishes. It effectively retains heat, ensuring your meals are cooked thoroughly and efficiently. Weighing in at just 1.15 kilograms, approximately 2.52 pounds, the hot pot is lightweight and easy to handle, making it convenient for stovetop cooking or serving directly at the dining table. The compact dimensions of 16.06 by 8.6 by 5.98 inches ensure that it fits comfortably in any kitchen space without taking up too much room.